In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use images in Hubspot content. To begin, go to your Hubspot account and open the Content Files tool. This is the main library where Hubspot stores your uploaded images and other assets. Using files first is a good habit because it keeps everything organized in one place, and it makes the image easy to find later when you are building emails or pages. Once you are in the Files area, click Upload Files. Then choose the image you want to use from your computer and let it finish uploading. Take a moment to confirm the upload is complete before you move on. If you upload several images over time, it also helps to use clear file names so you can recognize them quickly in the editor. Next, go to the editor where you want to place the image. This can be your email editor or a page editor, depending on what you are creating. Open the specific email or page you are working on, so you are looking at the layout where the image should appear. Now you will add the image to your content. If your template already has an image module, click directly on that image module. If you are working inside a text area instead, click the insert icon in the text block. Either option will open the image selection experience, and it connects back to the files you uploaded earlier. From here, select your image from the sidebar. This sidebar is pulling from your Hubspot files, so you should see the image you just uploaded. Click the image you want to use, and double-check that you chose the correct one before continuing, especially if you have multiple similar versions. Finally, click Apply. This confirms your selection and places the image into your email or page where you selected the module or insert point. After it appears, it is a good idea to quickly review the placement and spacing to make sure it looks clean and consistent with the rest of your content. That covers everything you need to know.